Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer tech. Today, we've got an exciting product to review. It's the Bold N2 5G smartphone, and it's making waves in the market for being the best selfie camera 5G phone available. Stick around to find out why this phone is a game changer. The Bold N2 is more than just a smartphone, it's a complete package. Let's dive into what makes this device so special. First off, let's talk about the design and build of the Bold N2. This phone is sleek and stylish, with a gorgeous cypress teal color that's sure to catch your eye. Its 6.6 Full HD Plus AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection ensures vibrant visuals and durability. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty performance. The Bold N2 boasts a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G processor, which delivers smooth and responsive performance. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this phone can handle it all. But what truly sets the Bold N2 apart is its camera capabilities. It features a quad 64 megapixels main camera that captures crisp and vivid photos, ensuring you get the best quality images in any lighting condition. Plus, the dual 16 megapixel selfie camera is perfect for stunning self-portraits. Unlocking your phone has never been easier. With both Face ID and an in-display fingerprint sensor, you can access your device in a fraction of a second. Worried about running out of power? Don't be. The Bold N2 comes equipped with a long-lasting 4,200 mAh battery that can keep you going all day. And with 30W quick charging, you can get a 50% charge in less than 20 minutes. The Bold N2 is unlocked and compatible with most major carriers, including T-Mobile and Metro, providing lightning-fast 5G connectivity. When you purchase the Bold N2, you'll get more than just a phone. It comes with a case, charger, cable, and other accessories, making it a complete package. So, in conclusion, if you're looking for the best selfie camera 5G phone with impressive performance, stunning display, and a fantastic battery life, the Bold N2 is the way to go. Plus, it won't break the bank at just $159.99. That's all for today's review of the Bold N2 5G smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tech updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.